Okay, guys, you're with the one and only one, Maze. Okay, today we're with Maze, guys. Now we are having a question. They say sine rule given an acute triangle, right? So yeah, they say we must prove that sine angle B divided by B it's equals to sine angle C divided by C, or this is the same, or B divided by sine angle B it's equals to C divided by sine angle C. So what should we do? The first thing that we must do, guys, let's name our side. So because this is A, so this side is small letter A. Because this is C, so this side is small letter C. Because this side is B, so this side is small letter B. This one we get this from grade 9 or grade 8. Okay, what should we do? Let's try to construct a perpendicular height, because we are proving what that involve angle B and angle C. It means that we must go to here at the vertex of angle A. Let's construct a perpendicular height, and then here let's just name it to become what? D. So this is going to be 90 degrees and 90 degrees, right? Adjacent angles on a straight line are supplementary. So let's name our height what? Our height ADH. So now let's work in triangle money, in triangle A, D, and C. So we can just say in triangle, in right triangle, because now it's right, in right triangle money, A, D, C. So in this right triangle, and we forget about the other one. And then we know the trig ratios. We can apply the trig ratios in a right triangle. So it means that sine C is opposite over hypotenuse, meaning that sine angle C it's equals to opposite is our H here, and then our hypotenuse is what? Is B. And then let's solve for what? For H. So we are going to multiply both sides by what? By B, in order to find what? H. So this is going to be sine angle C, it's equals to H divided by B multiplied by B, and also on this other side we will have multiplied by what? By a B. So B divided by B we get 1. So our H is the same as what? It's the same as B sine angle C. And then we can name that thing to become equation number 1. Okay, we are done with equation number 1. And then again, let's try to work on this other triangle, right? Which is triangle what? ADB. It's also a what? A right triangle, meaning that this is going to be what? Let's just say in triangle. In triangle what there? Oh, in triangle ADB. Now we are in a right triangle ADB. A right triangle, it always have one angle that is equals to what? 90 degrees. That is right angle. That's something that look like a square there. It's 90 degrees. So it's going to be what? It's going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Soccer tower, bro. It's grade 10 work, this one. So it's sine angle B, it's equals to H divided by what? Divided by what? C. Alright, now let's solve for H, which is our height, meaning that this is we are going to multiply both sides by what? By C. So it's sine B multiplied by C is equals to H divided by C multiplied by C. So and then this one and this one goes, and then we are left with H. It's equals to what? Let's just say, let's put C here. C sine angle B, and name it become equation number 2. Right. So we have how many? We have 2 equations, which is what? Which is this one, which is equals to H, and this one. Right. So if H and H are equal, so we can just say, okay, C sine B is equals to what? B sine C. So we can write it here, and we say what? C sine angle B, it's equals to B sine angle C. And we are trying to prove this, one of these two parts. So here we are going to divide both sides by what? By C. So we can just copy that thing and then we say C sine angle B divided by C, it's equals to B sine angle C divided by C, like that. My division is not proper there. But then this and this, we are left with sine angle B, it's equals to B sine angle C divided by C. So we can also divide this other side by what? By B. And then divide by B, and we divide by B. So this one kills that one. And then if you write this one again only, you have proven this part.